Want to know the top 5 cottagecore plants to cultivate? You are in the right place. Cottagecore celebrates the romanticized rural life with a touch of nostalgia. Cultivating these plants can bring joy and a sense of accomplishment. So without further ado, here are the top 5 cottagecore plants for you to cultivate. First on our list is the beautiful and aromatic lavender. A quintessential cottagecore plant, lavender's delightful scent and delicate purple blooms make it a garden must-have. With good drainage and plenty of sunlight, it thrives. Lavender certainly brings a touch of elegance and a sweet aroma to any garden. Next up, we have the timeless classic, roses. These beauties come in a myriad of types, each boasting unique colors and fragrances. Their charm lies in their versatility and resilience, making them a cottagecore favorite. To grow them successfully, ensure plenty of sunlight and regular pruning. Roses, with their varied colors and fragrances, truly embody the cottagecore charm. Third on our list is the vibrant and alluring foxgloves. A quintessential cottagecore choice, they charm with their bell-shaped flowers and soft hues. Thriving in partial shade and well-drained soil, they're a joy to cultivate. With their tall and colorful blooms, foxgloves are a sight to behold. Coming up fourth are the lush and lovely peonies. These radiant blossoms are a cottagecore staple, their ruffled petals painting a picture of pastoral elegance. Cultivating peonies requires patience but rewards with a garden bathed in luxurious blooms. Peonies, with their voluminous blooms, add a luxurious touch to any garden. Last but not least, we have the stunning hydrangeas. Their captivating charm lies in their large, vibrant flowers, adding a touch of enchantment to any cottagecore garden. To cultivate, ensure rich, well-drained soil and partial shade. Hydrangeas, with their large and vibrant flowers, are truly a cottagecore favorite. And there you have it, the top 5 cottagecore plants to cultivate. From the calming scent of lavender, the romantic allure of roses, the striking heights of foxgloves, the lush appeal of peonies, to the vibrant colors of hydrangeas, each plant brings a unique charm to your garden. So why not try your hand at cultivating these beauties? Remember, every plant you nurture is a step towards creating your own verdant paradise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!